Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the diamond knot. Let's get started. You are going to need one piece of rope. My piece is cut about 38 inches long. And what you're going to do is fold that rope right in half. Once your rope is folded in half, we're going to take it and just slide it right on our finger like that. Once you have that rope around your finger, we're going to take the right side here and just kind of fold it upwards. And then what we're going to do is take that and just twist it towards ourselves to form a loop. So you should have the side on the right coming over and around to go under itself. And the string here on the left is going to hang right down the middle of that loop we just formed. We're going to take that string that hangs down the middle and we're going to send it under the string here. And then we're going to weave it through our loop. It's going to go over, under the center, and then back over. So we take that end and go over, under the center, and then back over. And this is what it should look like once you've woven it through. It's almost a pretzel-like shape with a diamond in the center. We're going to take that same rope that we just wove through and we're going to send it back under. And I'm going to kind of place my thumb here to keep my place right here while I send this string around the rope that is around our finger on the right. It goes around that, and then I send it under and then up through that diamond center, and I just pull that out. So as you can see, that rope goes around everything. It stays under this string that's on the right, and we send it so it goes around this rope here on the right of our finger, under and through that diamond. And I'm just gonna move it off to the side here. You can still see that I have a diamond in the center. And now it's time to take this rope here that's on the right that we have not used yet. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this rope around everything and we're gonna make sure it goes around the rope on the left of our finger. And then it's gonna come up through that center diamond. So as you can see, it went around everything, and you gotta make sure it goes around this rope that is on your finger, and it just comes up through the diamond like the other rope did. So both your strings will be coming up through that diamond center. And this is the last step to our knot. So now what we do is we're gonna grab both those ropes and slide it off our finger and take that loop that was around our finger in our hand, and we just pull those ends. And this is what tightens up our knot to form it. And then it's kind of gonna look a little messy. So to fix that, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna start pulling and adjusting our ropes to tighten each strand up. So you just find one and you follow it along, and then you pull to adjust it. And there you go. That is how you make the diamond knot. This is what it should look like once it's all tightened up and adjusted. It's a really nice rounded knot that is woven through itself. This is a great knot that you can add to keychains. You can use it as bracelet stoppers or hooks. I like to use this knot as the heads in dragonflies, so you can really be creative with what you use this knot for. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.